designed this camp so that students from high school could come in and learn about the different areas of the body. I wanted them to be able to understand the anatomy and the physiology, which is kind of the core structure, the core foundation of medicine. And then once they understand what areas of the body are and what they're called, how they work, we can learn about disorders and diseases that make our bodies start to malfunction and how to diagnose certain patients. They get a chance to act like doctors through doing different dissections of different animal tissues, as well as seeing 4 human cadavers in our cadaver lab.
Today in the cadaver lab, we went and saw the muscular system of the arms and the legs. So we went over all the tendons and the muscles and ligaments that are in the extremities of the body.
So what we did was we put on these big goggles and had these controllers in our hand, and we kind of just walked through the heart and we could see what it looked like on the inside. And it was really cool because we could see like different things. We could see like a healthy heart, or like a heart that had atrial fibrillation, or we could see like a stent put in to help, and that was just cool. And you could like actually, it felt like you were physically walking through the heart.
This afternoon, they are going to be dissecting some sheep brains, sheep eyes, and then I'll be showing them cross-sections or slices of different body tissues of cadaver brains and nervous systems, so they can see how the body is structured and kind of put together, and how human brain is slightly different than animal brain, and how they're the same.
So we're doing a lab to test 3 different patients to see if they have diabetes based on their urine and blood samples. We're using test strips to dip in the samples, and it will show the blood sugar levels.
It's a great opportunity for kids to get to see if medicine is something that they're interested in as a possible career. It gives them a chance to step outside of their comfort zone. A lot of the campers were a little nervous about going into the cadaver lab for the first time, but I was so proud of how many of them really stepped outside of their comfort zone. They got in there, they were touching the cadaver tissue, and they were absolutely respectful with the bodies, and were just so excited to be able to have this opportunity. And I'm really happy that I had the opportunity to work with kids this age and keep that interest in science going. They're about to enter college. I'm hoping that maybe this is a career path or subject that they want to learn more about. And so this way they have opportunities that they wouldn't necessarily have in their high school classes.